Hey there, pet lovers! Are you tired of the hassle and mess that comes with grooming your furry friends? Well, I've got something incredible to show you today. Introducing the Afloia Dog Grooming Kit, a game changer in the world of pet grooming. This kit is an all-in-one solution to make grooming your pets a breeze. Whether you have a dog, cat, or any furry companion, this kit has got you covered. So let's dive into the features that make this kit a must-have for every pet owner. First up, the Afloia Pet Grooming Kit comes with a powerful vacuum suction system. Say goodbye to the mess and frustration of pet hair flying everywhere. With its innovative design, this kit captures 99% of pet hair into its vacuum cup, keeping your clothes clean, your house hair-free. No more cleaning up after grooming. It's a real game changer. And the best part? The vacuum operates at a noise level lower than 60 decibels. That's quieter than your regular vacuum cleaner. Thousands of users have reported that their pets are not scared of this hair vacuum. So say goodbye to those stressful grooming sessions. Now, let's talk about power. The Afloia Pet Grooming Kit offers 3 suction levels to choose from, making it perfect for pets with even the thickest coats. This kit can handle it all. Plus, the 1.5-liter dust cup is 50 larger than others on the market, meaning you won't need to empty it frequently during grooming. The convenience doesn't stop there. This kit includes a portable wireless clipper. It's detachable and comes with a rechargeable battery. You can use it independently and follow your lively pet around while grooming. And guess what? The pet paw trimmer and nail grinder can be directly installed on the clipper for portable use. It's all about flexibility. Need some extra space to move around while grooming? The Afloia kit has got you covered. With an extended hose of 4.9 feet and a power cable of 8.7 feet, you'll have all the flexibility you need. Groom your pet in the yard or a large living room without any distance limitations. And here's the icing on the cake. All the accessories are perfectly organized in the storage tray. No more hunting for that missing brush or nail grinder. It's all in one place, keeping you organized and ready for any grooming task. So whether you're a seasoned pet owner or new to the world of pet grooming, the Afloia Dog Grooming Kit is your perfect companion. It's efficient, low noise, and designed to make your life easier. Don't miss out on this incredible pet grooming revolution. Say goodbye to the mess, the stress, and the noise. Get your Afloia Dog Grooming Kit today and give your furry friend the pampering they deserve. Link in comment box. Thanks for watching, and remember, a happy pet is a groomed pet.